Good morning, students. So this class we are going to discuss the other inheritance. Previously we have seen single inheritance, that is parent and a child. Then multi-level inheritance. So A is a base class, B is a derived class whose parent is a, and C is a derived class whose parent is a B. Now multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance is the process of deriving the new classes that inherit the attributes from two or more classes. Okay. Suppose that here B1, B2, B3, these are the parent classes, and then derived classes, a single derived class which inherits the properties of two or more parents. Okay. The general syntax is a class. Suppose base A, we define the body of the base class here. Then base B, define the body of the base class. Then base C, define the body of the base class here. First we define base A, base B, and base C. These are the base class. Then derived class. So this is the derived class. Derived D, then public protected or private base A, like that public protected or private base B, public protected private or base A. So here it is a single colon, not double colon, and then the body of the class. Okay. The next one is a hierarchical inheritance. The hierarchical inheritance is defined as a process of deriving more than one class from the base class. So here there is only one parent, and then there are many children. A is the base, B, C, and D are derived classes. Okay. So the same way you can define the syntax. Class A, base class, so body of the base class. Then class B, which is a derived class whose parent is a, or whose base is a, therefore public, private or protected base A, then body of the derived class B. Then class C, which is a derived class whose base is a, so public, protected, private A, then body of the derived class C. Then class D, which is a derived class whose base is a, so private, public, protected A, then body of the class D. Okay. And then hybrid inheritance. Yeah, hybrid inheritance is combination of more than one type of inheritance. Okay, that is here A is a base, B and C are children. Therefore, A, B, C means it is a hierarchical, right? Then B, C is a parent of D. So this is a multiple. Okay, therefore here hybrid we take hierarchical with multiple inheritance. Like that you can use the multi-level inheritance along with multiple inheritance. Okay, what is called a hybrid? A hybrid means the combination of one or more type of inheritance. Okay, so how you define? So here I am using a multi hierarchical along with multi-level. Therefore, first we define the class A, class base A, then body of that one, then class derived B, whose parent is a base A, then body of that one, then derived C, whose parent is a base A, then body of C, then class D, derived D, whose parents are B and C. Okay. Let me see one example of the multiple inheritance. All right. So here basic is the base class. So under protected category, roll number is an integer data member and name is a character data member. So close that class. The next one is a academic, which is a derived class. Okay. So under protected category, we define the course. Then physical is a another derived class. The academic is a base class. Then physical is a another derived class whose base class is a basic and academic. So here we define the data members as a float under private category and the member functions under public category, that is the get data and display. Then here under get data we read roll number, then name, then course, then height and then weight. Then under display we display the roll number, name, course, height and weight. Okay. Then array of object is defined for the derived class. Then read how many students. Then suppose if there are 50 students means we read 50 data. After this is the heading. Then we want to display that 50 members, that is the students details here. So this is a multi-level inheritance. Now let me execute this program. So 5 students. Roll number 1. Course BSA. Height 150, 9, 50. Then next roll number 2. Suppose name is here. Course BSA. Then height 167, weight 54. Then roll number 3. BSA. Roll number 4. BSA. Roll number 5. Course is a BSA. And height is a therefore here we display the data. So this concept is a multi-level inheritance. Like that, you can write the program for multi-level. This is a multi-level inheritance. Okay. you can write the program for the hybrid inheritance as well as the hierarchical inheritance. So the inheritance is a process of creating new classes from existing class. The new class is called the base class or parent class, and the newly created class is called the derived class or child class. Okay, there are various types of inheritance. A single inheritance under which A is the base class and B is the derived class. Then multi-level inheritance, A is the base class, B is the derived class whose parent is A, and C is a derived class whose parent is B. Then multiple inheritance, A, B, C are the base classes, and D is a derived class whose parents are A, B, C. Then hierarchical inheritance, A is the base class and B, C, D are derived class whose parents are A. Then hybrid means combination of one or more inheritance. Here A is the base class, B and C are derived class whose parent is A, and D is a derived class whose parents are B and C. So this concept is called the inheritance, and you can write various programs, examples, and explain each inheritance.